Oil pulling. Yep, we're going there today because the big question everybody wants to know, the one that's blowing up Google, TikTok, Instagram, and my DMs is right here. Does oil pulling work to help reverse gum disease? Well, a lot of people are giving oil pulling a real chance. Coconut oil, sesame seed oil, swishing faithfully every morning because they genuinely want their mouths to be healthier. And I get it. So let's talk about whether it actually works, what it really does, and whether it can fix gum disease. Because the internet has been giving y'all some very creative interpretations of science. Hey y'all, it's Dr. Fatima from CEPI, the Center of Implantology, your friendly and your favorite periodontist who keeps everything relatable and real. And today we're gonna break down oil pulling, what it can help with, what it can't help with, and whether it has any role in reversing gum disease. So let's get into it. First, what is oil pulling really doing? Oil pulling is simply swishing oil in your mouth for about 10 to 20 minutes. Traditionally, people are using coconut oil or sesame oil. The claim is that oil pulls toxins and bacteria out of your mouth. Now let me say this plainly. Oil pulling does not remove toxins from your bloodstream or detox your body. Your mouth does not detox your entire system. Your saliva is not a waste management plant, and oil is not pulling toxins out like a sponge. But oil does have some legitimate benefits. So let's talk about what oil pulling actually does. What oil pulling can help with is that it can reduce some bacteria temporarily. Coconut oil does contain lauric acid, which has some mild antibacterial properties. 2, it can help reduce plaque on the surface of the teeth. 3, it also can help freshen breath. 20 minutes of swishing, yes, your breath will smell fresh afterward. Number 4, it might slightly reduce gum inflammation. Gentle swishing plus mild antibacterial effects equal calmer gums. Now, these are real science-supported effects, but now let's talk about the real question. Can oil pulling reverse your gum disease? Well, here's the science-based truth. No! Oil pulling cannot and will not reverse your gum disease. Not gingivitis, not periodontitis, not early bone loss, none of it. And here's why. Gum disease lives deep underneath the gum line in places that oil just can't reach. Gum disease involves tartar buildup, which only professionals can remove. Bacteria deep in the pockets, bone loss, gum detachment, inflammation that lives underneath the tissue, and infection in the supporting structures of your teeth. Oil pulling does not remove tartar. It does not break up bacterial biofilm. It doesn't clean deep in your pockets. It doesn't kill bacteria underneath the gums, reattach your gum tissue, regrow bone, or reverse gum disease. Think about it. If oil pulling could reverse gum disease, periodontists like myself could just take a permanent vacation and the coconut oil shelves would be completely empty. Why people think oil pulling works? This is the part that most people don't understand. Oil pulling can make your gums look healthier because it reduces inflammation, it reduces the swelling, the surface bacteria will decrease, and your mouth will feel cleaner. So people are gonna assume, wow, my gum disease is reversing, but what really happened is that the inflammation changed, not the disease that lies beneath. Your gums look healthier even while the disease underneath is quietly continuing. It's like putting aloe on a sunburn. The redness has gone down, but the burn is still there. So let's talk science for a minute. So there have been several studies that have talked about oil pulling, and here's actually the summary of it. Oil pulling can reduce surface level plaque, it can reduce some bacteria, and it does help with bad breath. But it doesn't reduce your pockets, it doesn't remove tartar, and it doesn't improve your bone levels. Therefore, it does not cure your gum disease. So here's the translation. Oil pulling does help the top layer, but gum disease that lives deep below the surface, it does not reverse. So what should you do to reverse gum disease? Well, here's actually what does work. Professional cleanings, scaling and root planing, periodontal laser therapy like LANAP, fix your bite pressure issues, use a water flosser, brush correctly with a soft brush, eliminating smoking, and treating underlying medical conditions like diabetes. These things can actually change the biology of the disease. Oil pulling does not and cannot do that. So what's the official verdict? Oil pulling is not harmful. It may be soothing and it can be a nice supplement to your routine. It actually may even make your mouth feel more refreshed. But it's not a treatment. It is not a cure. It does not reverse gum disease, and it should never replace real periodontal care. If you have gum disease and you rely on oil pulling alone, you're really not healing the problem. You're actually just delaying the actual treatment your gums really need. So like, share, and subscribe. If this helped clear up the truth about oil pulling, go ahead and hit the like button. If you know somebody who swears oil pulling is curing everything under the sun, do them a favor and send them this video today. If you want real dental truth, no fear tactics, no jargon, just clear and honest explanations, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss what's coming next. All right, y'all, till the next time.